So a situation where you enter without inputting your username or your password, then the system should tell us that the field will not or cannot be empty. So let's handle that. So we say if not user or not password fields cannot be empty. Alright, what about if the user enter the right password? What should be done? I don't know if you get that. If the user enter the right password and the username, the user should get access to the system. So now let's go ahead to implement that one. So we're saying that if user is equal to username and also password, this one is also equal to the default one that we have. It's also equal to this one, the default one. Then we should print let's format it so that it will appear professional. For that matter, we say what? It should capitalize. So that the initials will be what? Capitals. Alright. So welcome back, and then mention the name and say what? To your dashboard. Alright. So what about if the credential doesn't match? What should the system say? So we say else. Incorrect username or password. Alright, so that is that. So now this is our authentication system, and that is that. If the user doesn't enter anything, we should be able to say he doesn't enter anything. If the credential doesn't match, we should be able to say something, right? But here, because we are using a while loop, we should be able to say that if it doesn't match, then it should repeat this one again, but it shouldn't execute this. And for that matter, let's say continue, so that it doesn't continue to execute this one even when the user is entering empty fields. Do you see that? Alright, so let's run our program and see. Alright, so I've run the program. Okay, I want us to see what is going to happen. So let me clear this one. Alright, so let me run the program again. Alright, so we have enter username. So username, let me enter just a wrong one intentionally. So let me say 23 and I press enter. It says what? Oops, incorrect username or password. And it says what? Enter username. So now let's not enter anything and see. It says what? Fields cannot be empty. Enter username. Alright, so let's now enter the right ones. So Adelga at first, which is our username, and then the password, which is IDD24. IDD24. And I press OK. It says what? Welcome back, Adelga, to your dashboard.